Hi, I'm Chloe Porterfield. I'm a multimedia digital artist, and I'm graduating Red Rocks with a professional photography degree. I bought my first professional DSLR at the age of 12, and the following year I began photographing for my middle school yearbook, and that's where my love for portraiture was born. Every photograph that I take is an attempt to document peculiarity from the subject at hand. I believe mindfulness is necessary to capture a persona, so portraiture is a favorite style of mine. I'm also inspired by the human form and nature. In this particular photo series, you'll see moody portraiture taken in dark environments. I hope you enjoy. So I've known I've had a passion for photography for a while, but I was actually initially drawn to the certification program at Red Rocks. But after spending some time in the VAMA department and seeing the support from the instructors and the other students and just the education that I was getting, it really encouraged and confirmed for me that the right path for me was the degree instead of the certificate. So some amazing classes that I would shout out and talk about is perception and photography. It was otherwise known as neuroaesthetics. That was an awesome class in understanding the brain and why we like art and why we are drawn to certain things. The history of photography class blew my mind. And then I took an accelerated 8-week digital photo manipulation class called Digital Darkroom, which was wonderful. And that was with the department chair, Paul Weinrock, which I have learned so much from him. So shout out to him. And then some of my plans for after graduation would be to collaboratively and collectively utilize my graphic design and photography skills. I want to continue building my business so I can pursue freelance photography and graphic design full-time.